In this video, I'll show you how to fix the can't start game or app error on your PS5. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PlayStation tips. This error can be caused by a few different issues, but I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. The first and simplest thing to try is restarting your console. Press the PlayStation button, go to the power icon, and select Restart PS5. A quick restart often clears up temporary glitches that trigger this error. Next, make sure your console software is up to date. Go to Settings in the top right corner, then select System, followed by System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings, and check for the latest version. If an update is available, install it. After that, check whether the game itself is updated. From your home screen, highlight the game that's giving you the error. Press the Options button on your controller, then select Check for Update. If an update is available, download and install it. If the error still shows up, it might be related to your game licenses. To fix this, go back into Settings, select Users and Accounts, then choose Other. Here, select Restore Licenses. This will resync your game licenses and can often fix the error immediately. Finally, if none of those solutions work, try rebuilding your PS5 database. First, turn off your PS5 completely. Then press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear the second beep. This will start the console in safe mode. From the safe mode menu, choose option 6, Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. This process will reorganize your system files and often resolve stubborn issues like this one. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the can't start game or app error on your PS5. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with other gamers who might be dealing with the same problem.